At half of the press. Well, my people, me here for drop the real news, news, reviews, everything in a one right this or right there, my people. So all I want to know to do is like up the video, share out the video, subscribe to my channel, my people. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Let's get right into it.
A corrupt government cannot liberate the people. If the head of the stream is corrupt, the entire river will be also.
A blessed good day to you, my wisdom warriors. Wagwan, wagwan. I hope you guys are in good spirit. Take a look at my screen. More than 4,000 uncollected payments for reverse income tax credit. So, basically, them claims say the people, they're not going to collect them money. Which, my wisdom warriors, I don't believe this. Wanna hear me? I do not believe this. I think this is just a sham. I strongly believe this is just a sham. Because a whole heap of people say them claim and when them go, they still not get their money. You have some people get and some people not get. So how them come out and say 4,000 people not collect payment? Really? Then just want to look good. Wanna hear me? I don't believe this crap. Then just want to look good. Because the first batch get money. And remember, them say in a February, no, before them saying that December, the third batch I go get the second batch and the third batch forget. We not hear nothing. We not see nothing come out in the paper or anything. You understand? Then them say in a February them I go get money. All no. You think so we are idiot? We're not idiot. So when you come out and I put out all these things, I just feel look good. I just feel look good. I don't believe this crap. Wanna hear me? I don't believe it. Seriously. But you tell me one thing still. Opposition spokesman on citizen security and productivity, Senator Peter Bunting, has assured occupiers of sections of land at Bogue Industrial Estate in Montego Bay that they will be given a chance to buy the land at a fair price if the People's National Party (PNP) forms the next government. Tell them for me, Peter Bunting. Tell them for me because them no realize say we have a land thief on the island. Them not realize that, Them don't realize that. Them not even realize, say, Andrew Wellness, business partner, that is Norman Brown, is the chairman and director of the housing agency. The land housing agency. I'll know them now. Them don't know what go on. We don't even know what go on. A long time we hear flight come out too much time and I tell them, say, listen man, this man have to go. This man has to go. This man need to resign. Norman Brown need to resign. How can the Prime Minister of Jamaica have his business partner, the director and manager of the housing agency, Jamaica, HAJ, and he is also the director and chairman of the Urban Development Corporation in Jamaica? How can that be? Isn't that nepotism? My wisdom warriors, isn't this conflict of interest? What is really going on? Huh? Me hear flight come out too much time and I said this man need to resign. Jamaican people, you see when you see PNP get up and you hear the ministers them come out and attack, sometimes you need to stress this, You have to stress it. You can't just leave everything up to the flag of them. Sometimes you self have to stress it. Go out and protest. Peaceful protest. Seriously, that man needs to go. How can a business partner of the Prime Minister is the chairman of Urban Development Corporation and the HAJ? How can this be? How can this be? And everybody sit down and say, Andrew, do good. Because you know see building and you don't know who is getting all these government contracts. Remember me showing a video recently how Marlene Malaho, she want to hide all these things. She want to hide all these things, all these government contracts. We have a right to know who is getting all these government contracts because there's allegations out there saying that Andrew Holness and the ministers, they may have few ministers in there, is getting the government contract. Like Norman Dunn, him a one of them. My wisdom warriors, him a one of them. Him name a call up and down all over. Why me not even know? I really don't understand how you think it is okay and Andrew Holness is doing good. Stop look pan building and say Andrew Holness are do good. It don't make no sense. A whole heap of people Mr. come out and cry over them land when this government take away. I mean I hear you come out and talk about it. Whole heap of people. I mean I go show no one person. Take in this.
Right, you know, me I tell you, enough of them people here we attack, we never buy a piece of land yet. I capture government land. One come on internet can run off them out on people who work for them things and buy them property. If you don't own one of this, if you don't own something like this, what we call land tiger, you can't talk to me. See them there? All of them pay tax, land tiger. See them there? See them there? Land tiger. Land tiger. Alright, I'm going to show you something again, you know. This is a land tiger. Alright. Them you have for me. All of them have my name upon them. All of them have my name upon them. You understand? Andrew Holness government a thief, and him a thief with property them through tax through tiger office. You try remember that. So if a man own one of this, you know, they can't talk to me, you know. And enough of you where come and run off on the mouth about Jamaica, you know. If you never do nothing for Jamaica, you can't talk to me. If you never do nothing for Jamaica, you cannot talk to me. Because you is nothing to me. You understand? Alright, now I'll show you now, you know. See how Jamaica system is corrupt, you know. A foreign me live in, I live in America. And my lawyer there 3 days, me find out. Me get the message, my lawyer pass away. 3 days after my lawyer dead. My wife come to Jamaica to come look about, to come get with paper for we land. Because Brian Clark have with time to sit down. How long and I try to thief with property. I have this letter, this death certificate. This is my lawyer death certificate. 3 days after my lawyer passed away, Brian Clark thief me land through Jamaica Tiger office. A letter when sent out 3 days after my lawyer dead. And all now, I listen to Jamaica unfair. You know how long? Me I come out about my land and I talk about my land. The government never said nothing. I see the 2 half-dead house they went put on people property. It come out right now. And I can create havoc upon it. On social media. You see that pan said we too? When vlogger take you out and post it and big up the contract. And if it show say, I take him and take away people them place. And him dep on social media right now. I look how long me dep on social media. With my property, with team through the Jamaica Tiger office card, that's where my title sits. Under the government office. You're a hypocrite, Andrew.
My wisdom warriors, listen to me, man. We not even know so we Prime Minister want dangerous man. Whole heap of Jamaicans don't even know this. But you know what? Me realize say you like to learn the hard way. You understand? And if we continue like this, Jamaica, and unite, we are going to fail ourselves and we are fail our ancestors. Because our ancestors always unite and fight. Always unite and fight. But I don't know what is going on. Everybody has sell out them one another. I don't know how since as this Jamaica Labour Party come and take over this country, a pure problem. Pure problem. Seriously. You know what? I want to take a look at Radcliffe land where the government thief me people. Jano. May I tell you say, a long time this man, you know, out here fighting, man, a fighting, a long time, you know. Yeah, man, me always say, talk your mind, play him, man. Always I play this man because the man want justice, and justice the man cannot get. Just imagine all these things. What is going on? What is going on? Then take away your land, you go and you buy your land. Not only him, whole heap of people are cry. Whole heap of people in the diaspora buy them land, and when they go back now, to start them foundation and rise up them house. Rotted whole. The same government of Jamaica sell back a land to somebody. John was star. And you have labor right, them a cost. Well, I mean, I don't know, you know, but it is a sad day and a very dark day ahead to blouse and skirt. We have if we do. And the labor right supporters, I cause all of them problem here. Because them a cheer on Andrew Wellness. And Mr. the figure them, me I tell you, man, them sick my stomach. They don't take in labor right them. They embarrass me. Me I tell you. Because it's true, them don't know what is going on. They don't have no knowledge. They go on like them know. Them go on like them know. You see this man when me put up, he name Radcliffe. And me put him up on social media. And somebody come under there and I say, how a lie and a propaganda the man I tell. Me say, yo, me say, me have to block the person. Me couldn't even answer. Because if me did for answer, man, only God know when me would tell that person. Me have to block the person. I'm like, what? You think this man gonna come out every single day and nothing not go like that? The man a surely line title, receipt, everything. A whole heap of video all over with him. And me know so the government see, but then turn a blind eye. And this is what they do. This is what they do. But you see the labor right, them fool. Come me see one man come out and hear me talk about it. And me tell you, so me not even about to defend all him. Because him a labor right. The man came out with people and the man said the government come and said they want the place to develop. And the man land when building big house pan. The man allowed the government to mash up his house. Remember me talk about it over here already. Just I think maybe about a month ago or something like that. The man said, oh, I understand that the government is developing and stuff like that. And he just waiting now for them to put him somewhere. Me laugh so till me weak. If you don't remember, just right remember. Seriously. I mean, I said this a man I look like he licking blouse and skirt head. So the labor right them, I don't know. They are so die-hearted. Remember, some of them said they will give up all their house, you know. That's why the idiot they make Andrew Wallace a build house on their land and then turn around take their land and the piece of house. Jano man. But I want to take a look at this.
This is our mile and this, you understand? Mr. Lawyer Clark in a Lucy. I try to take me thing from me. You understand? Just through the hotel bill. See if it's go all the way down there. So all the way down there. Capture me thing. All alright, that's all. You understand? I'm going to try to take me things. Right now, government of Jamaica and people on social media, they're going to try to help me. You know, how much liar I'm going to spend, how much liar. You understand? See the place around the side, Grand Palladium, at that building, and them take away people, them land from them in a Lucy town. See there, I'm selling all only China one can't get place in to buy. No black people can't get nowhere in to buy. You have your back, your land, them pay blood clot man to kill you. You understand? Work hard for the things, me and my wife, and my mother, work hard for this, you understand? And this boy here, I come take my place and I go and like him take me for fool. You understand? The cave a step on the land. Bars Association have the case and everything. You understand? So this is what it is, you know. See all your business work at Jamaica, them just take your things from you without no cost. You have the paper, see your things. You understand? They have every document to this. And them take the land.
So my wisdom warriors, wanna see the property. Wanna see how the property big. Wanna see what going on wide. A whole heap of acres. I can't remember how much acres. Whole heap. Whole heap. And a long time the man a fight. From them build up the hotel there. I think a Palladium or something like that. I'm not really sure. One of them hotel there. They build up over there, so. Wanna see though? This government. Yeah, tell me that this government really mean Jamaican people well. But hey, Andrew Wellness, me I want real thief, you know? Hey, and the labor right there, you see anybody will defend Andrew Wellness, me I tell you no from no. I mean not care who want vex, I mean not care who want like me, come not come here for who not like me. Anybody, any girl or any boy that defend Andrew Wellness, uno is a thief also. Uno hear me? Uno is a thief, uno have it in a uno. That's why uno defend Andrew Wellness. Because no for uno, if uno not thief, make people see publicly, uno hide and a thief. Uno is a friggin' criminal. Every single one of uno. Uno could have all, uno could have small. Uno is a set of drunkro and una criminal, just like the Prime Minister. And guess what? So when me attack, me not talk with water in my mouth. Because uno see what is going on. Uno see, look on the woman Dalrymple. She come out and tell lie upon IC. And say IC I tell lie upon her and she innocent. And look what happened. She plead guilty. Because she knows the IC is telling the truth. And you only need for the same and plead guilty too. Because he knows the IC is telling the truth. And me, if you believe, look what I go on with SSL. When people talk about it, the whole of want to shut down everybody. The whole of want to shut down everybody when we talk about SSL. When the blogger them bring out information, the first thing to jump up and talk about lawsuit. When una leak out people business to mouthpiece, nobody not telling us say them a go sue uno. But as soon as uno own people are leak out for uno business, uno jump up. Man like Daryl Vaz come talk about him a go lawsuit Andre. Uno no say what go on, my people. Uno no say what go on. Make me read it to uno because guess what? You see, anybody can sue anybody. I'm telling you, listen. Me have to really laugh sometime, because I want people know say when I hear them talk about sue, it's just a threat for shut up people. It's just a threat for shut up people. And we not stop talk about it. We not stop talk about it. Because you know come out and send out lawsuit. But then I can't talk about Mark Golding is partner with law firm. Yes, sister, them a idiot. Yes, sister, them a idiot though. Yes, sister, Daryl Vaz not have no sense. And then he out here a demand like he want Mark Golding to come defend him. Like he want Mark Golding to come defend him. When you hold on, you see Jamaica, hey, don't take no needs, Me a warn on you, remember what good on with Mark Golding, him British citizenship business? And Daryl Vaz come out and say no secret no keeping in Jamaica. So if things in a passport office can leak out, which that shouldn't happen, what you think about a business place? Why you think a business place information now go leak out? If uno can come out and leak out passport office business, why uno think say uno business place business now go leak out? And that me a ask uno. And that me want to know. And everything when I talk about PNP. And uno own a Jamaica Labour Party minister give uno way. Uno need to look in on camp. And that me I tell uno. Uno need to look in on camp. And uno own a people I give uno way. And everybody like uno. Uno come and come pine fingers. Hey, boy. Boy, you come lawsuit. Every time you run out, lawsuit. Boy, you coward. Hey, them a coward, Them a coward. That's why them run out with lawsuit. An attorney representing Member of Parliament Daryl Vaz has issued a letter to controversial vlogger Andre Stevens threatening a lawsuit over perceived defamation. The letter from attorney Catherine J. Minto claims that on or about February 2025, Stevens caused a video and audio recording to be posted on his social media platform, which are defamatory of Vaz, who is also the Minister of Science, Energy, Telecommunications and Transport. Lord Jesus, my wisdom warriors. You see, when me look into this thing, you know, said the whole of them are corruption. I shut them one shut up Andre, and not only Andre, everybody else, all of the blogger. You know why? Nigel Clark came out and Nigel Clark say, on the 21st of, not the 21st, sorry, the 1st of September 2023, he say, I go seize all assets and earnings of SSL. Yeah, that is what they said. Then him say, nothing can't be done. During the investigation, nothing can't be transferred. So me want to know. Nigel Clark come out and say nothing can't be transferred. Nothing can't touch. Then sees everything. Nothing cannot touch. So how the hell property a transfer to Daryl Vaz granddaughter? You have to read between the lines in Jamaica. You have to read between the lines. How comes things are transfer? Remember, say investigation are going, from how long? So why, remember, I come out and say that the 1st, of September 2023, and by the 26th, the things them transfer. Why is that? And that may I ask, why is that? That means that them corrupted. Them now follow rules and regulations. So how we fi trust uno? Let me ask a question. How we fi trust uno? Me people, I see few people are write some things and me screenshot it and me say me want to show uno in the comment section. So take a look at this. You see how him follow up things when him perceive somebody wrong him, but me no hear about no consequences for them questionable deals he make with the country's resources. Yeah? The other person said defamation threat is just a strategy to try quiet people from talking up the things. 90% of these cases have no merit and not going anywhere. And it is so true. It is so true. This is a person named John Peters. It is so true. It is so true. And that me always say, when I see them come out and attack, listen, remember, Daryl Vaz are the one will love talk up things, I call up people name, always a text set for Mark Golding and other people all the time. In the pan Twitter, X. In the pan X, sometimes some things when you go on with over there, you have to really wonder. So me can understand when people come out now and ball out them business, the whole of them, I run out. Daryl Vaz, you shouldn't feel no way, You shouldn't feel no way. When all this information come out, you don't feel no way. You know why? You were the same very person who say, no secret, no keep in a Jamaica. Remember say you said no secret, no hide. Remember with Mark Golding British citizenship? It come like a forget. Me did I look for the video, my people, but I couldn't find the video because I did want to show them to hear what Daryl Vaz did I say. Daryl Vaz said when Mark Golding come out and talk about the British citizen, Daryl Vaz did that all over on people platform and a laugh and a guani and said nothing is secret. Nothing is secret. Nothing hide in Jamaica. Well, you think say for no business now go expose? And that you don't really think? Let me ask you something. And that you don't really think? And when people come out and talk, you fling lawsuit because you don't want nobody talk about dirty, corrupted behavior? No, sir. This not right at all. My wisdom warriors, wanna take in right mango. Hear this.
Listen, them hate me because them know me to tell the truth. See, Andre Stevens show up the receipts last night. Andre Stevens show said JLP politician daughter-in-law now own SSL building because the dirty people them transfer the building so them don't have to pay back the people them money. The dirty people them transfer the building even though Nigel Clark come out and say that the assets cannot be transferred during the investigation, and from September 2023 the dirty people them transfer the building as a gift to a JLP MP and minister's daughter-in-law. The dirty labor right them know say, we know say, it's thief the man money. And that is why them hate me. Cause they hate.
Same so it go, my sister. Same so it go. But God and time. And guess what now? You see this God and time, Jamaican people are going to feel it, It's just unfortunate that the PNP, them are going to fall in that the category there. It's just unfortunate because people now pre the levels and people now use sleep and mark that. Them brain skull now open up. Them brain now work. Something is really wrong. I don't know what it is. I realize say you have some Jamaican, they must sell out, They sell out their family, they sell out their friend, they sell out their one another. And them not care. Them not care. So if you as an individual, as a society don't care, what do you think government are going to do? Government are going to care? You don't really think that? You don't really think that? So when you hear we the bloggers attack, man, it's always the truth. What we want now, we want more to investigate this. And that we want. We want more it time where you take boy you are going to investigate KSAMC according to the labor right. Because we not see no report come out yet. We no need to pay attention to this. But then again, we cannot pay attention because we no work with the government. That I want that thing. Anything Andrew Wallace tell you to do, we not have to do it. It is really sad. Just imagine, look how the way Andrew Wallace are going. And we really want Jamaica to turn republic? Jamaican people, you know what is republic? You know what is republic? Sorry for you must know. A for no choice. Uno must know. My wisdom warriors, uno tell me what you think. Uno put an honest opinion in the comment section. Like up the video, share it out, and subscribe to my channel. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Big up on a nice clean self. One love.